Ready to unlock your freelancing potential? Let's craft a knockout Toptal resume that gets you hired. Step 1. Contact information. Make it crystal clear and easy to reach you. Include your name, professional email address, and a link to your LinkedIn profile. Accuracy is crucial. Double check everything. Step 2. Craft a compelling summary or objective. This short paragraph is your elevator pitch. Briefly showcase your core skills, experience, and what you're looking for. Tailor this each application and include relevant keywords. Step 3. Highlight your skills. Create a dedicated skills section to showcase your expertise. Categorize your skills, e.g., programming languages, design tools, project management, to make it easily scannable. Be sure to be specific rather than vague. Step 4. Showcase your experience. List your past roles, focusing on what you achieved. Use action verbs, e.g., developed, managed, implemented, and quantify your accomplishments whenever possible. Increased efficiency by 20% or managed a team of 5 developers. Step 5. Proofread and refine. Carefully review your resume for any grammatical errors or typos. Ensure consistent formatting throughout, and don't forget to tailor your resume to each specific Toptal job posting. A top-notch resume means a higher chance of landing the role. Now go at that freelance gig. #Toptal resume, #freelance resume.